Morning, my dear students. Hope you all are fine and safe. Today, let us start the new chapter of economics, that is government, budget, and taxation. Let us discuss about role of the government. In the modern age, the government is responsible for several important functions such as protection the country from external attacks and maintaining the rule of law within the country. Another major responsibility of the government is to provide public facilities. For example, if electricity is supplied to an area, it can benefit all the people living in the area, such as factories, offices, shops, and houses, can use the electricity. The government is also responsible to ensure the livelihood of the people. The right to work and the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, that is MAREGA, provide 150 days of employment in a year to every family that demand work, and the government should pay the capital cost and labor wages for the work. Many social useful projects such as check dams, water harvesting structures, roads, ponds, etc. can be undertaken to guarantee employment under MAREGA. The Government of India has played an important role in establishing heavy industries in the past, such as heavy engineering, electricity generation, steel production, and petroleum refineries. Without these basic industries, it would have been difficult to industrialize the country. The government also has an important regulatory function. For example, the packaged food we buy carries on FSSAI stamp. It means the packed food sold in shop by companies approved by the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. It means the FSSAI is answerable for public health security. The FSSAI also sets standards for the preservatives used in various processed food such as chips, noodles, food, juices, and soft drinks. It also ensures the sealed and packaged foodstuff is stamped with the manufacturing and expiry dates. Now we discuss about government budget. Our next topic is about government budget. The government has many responsibilities. It has to undertake many activities. The money required to carry out these activities is collected from the people in the form of taxes. The government needs revenue for its expenditure. The account of the government's revenue and expenditure is called the budget. A budget contains the following details: how many money the government plan to spend, details of the government of money to be given to the different departments to cover their expenditure under different heads such as education, food security, defense, etc. How much money the government would have to borrow if its expenditure exceeds its revenue. It also indicates the changes, if any, made in the rates of different taxes. Proposed provisions of the Chhattisgarh government budget presented in the Vidhan Sabha. Total expenditure for 2016-17 is rupees 70,000 crores, which is 6% more than in 2015-16. Total revenue collected during 2016-17 is estimated to be rupees 62,000 crores, which is 5% more than in 2015-16. The amount distributed in 2016-17 for education, roads and bridges, pension and medicines and public health have been increased, while the amount distributed for the food have been considerably reduced. The sales tax collection for 2016-17 is estimated at 12,000 crores. The government prepares and presents the budget, but the Vidhan Sabha plays an important role in approving it. The government have to get the approval of the Parliament or Vidhan Sabha for all taxes and expenditure. The government should be answerable to the people for the budget is present. It should also be for the people's welfare. The budget is a mirror of the government's plan and thinking. The budget is discussed over several days before it is approved. The opposition plays an important role by giving suggestions on budget. The common people can also directly demand the government to be answerable for the budget. Now let us discuss about the people's participation in the budget process. The government makes many promises to the people during and after the election process. The budget is an medium to the fulfill its policies and programs. If the budget provisions are not sufficient, the required revenue is not available. These plans and programs remain as promises. Right to food campaigning for effective implementation of the National Food Security Act. Some NGO activists held a meeting with the Delhi government where they complained that by not including dal and oil in the public distribution system PDS, one of its election promises was not correct. They pointed out that many states already distribute dal and oil through the PDS. The charter means a written letter Delhi government demanded to provide daily midday meals for children or to supply eggs, bread and milk to the Anganwadis. The charter also stated that pregnant and locating mothers should be given rupees 6,000 as their maternal right under Article 4 of the NFSA. Thank you, children. We will continue our remaining topic in our next class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.